When you visit our schools, it's easy to see what makes the San Mateo Union High School District so special. Across our 10 schools in 6 cities, our vibrant campuses are full of pride, creativity, and growth. Thanks to the support of our community, voters passed a $385 million bond in 2020, showing a deep commitment to the future of our students. But a strong school district cannot stand still. The needs of students continue to change, and our schools must continue to evolve. A facilities master plan helps to ensure our schools grow with our students to create learning environments that support the whole student and prepare every learner for what comes next. A facilities master plan is about more than buildings. It's about what those buildings make possible. A school campus sends a message to students every day about what we value, what we expect, and how much we believe in their potential. Our facilities serve to reflect the district's educational priorities, whether it be a state-of-the-art theater, an amazing ceramic studio, or a hands-on biotech laboratory. When spaces are thoughtful, welcoming, and built for the future, students feel it, educators feel it, and families feel it. And especially in a district as diverse, dynamic, and ambitious as the San Mateo Union High School District, that matters. A facilities master plan helps to align every campus with the future of learning. It informs our decision-making and developing spaces that promote the health and well-being of every student, creating places for collaboration and community. It means modern classrooms and cutting-edge technology that supports how our students learn today and into the future. It means expanded opportunities in career technical education so students can build real-world skills and explore meaningful paths after high school. And it means planning carefully and responsibly so every investment supports teaching, learning, safety, and opportunity for years to come. Our schools have a strong foundation, and a facilities master plan helps us build on that strength so we can continue meeting the needs of today's students and support a bright future where all of our students thrive.